Can you imagine? Can you imagine wild turkeys I've encountered, and they're right there. They're not running away. And I'm here in deep forest. They don't want to go anywhere. Maybe they need my help. Maybe they are sick. Maybe they are hurt. I don't see they're hurt, but maybe they are sick. Maybe they need my help. How can I help you guys? How can I help you? Do you need my help? Say yes. I can help you. I'm not going to harm you. I'm here for your help. Just let me know. Wow, it's a male, big. Let me go for a walk. I don't want to disturb them.